Not simple, man. Just go over there, go give DJ a visit. You understand? No long distance sing. I wonder if he want a clash.
What do you mean? Fully active.
Rankin this a call me again. You know, stop call up my phone now, brother. Feel like if I go give him a link.
Go hear him, I say.
Butcher. Go over there, sir, be a Rankin. I go tell him, man, you know. I'm not talking a butcher.
So, yeah, man. You could just go hear him, I say, man. Because we're done and make our talking ages. You see?
Butcher, make it call now.
Yo, dog blood. Where are David? More a link reptile and circle, you know, dog. We want to make a link over Rankin, but here, I don't want to show in the face, I want to stay wide. I just know so we did it and only did it. Yeah.
That's so cool.
What is? Lee Van Cliff and Clint Eastwood.
You call me, so see ya.
From yesterday, I call on the phone. How am?
Rankin, we are business people, you know. We have business meetings and other things to attend to.
See, we're there now, so how are we going? So the I give you an order. I want to still go over 21. You see in the cars now?
Rankin, you know I'm not too like that word there. Order. I'm not too take order in a ranking.
Better you say it's an advice you did give it. So you not take order? Alright. So not even my advice you couldn't take.
Rankin, you know how hard we work to keep peace, yes, so and make sure so everywhere go. So you feel like say some little boy, I go make we sit down and feel safe. And we are gonna just sit down and comfortable, so. How that work?
Rankin, remember when you're there foreign, I live comfortable life. We out here have to make sure say place gov. So we're not playing a loose ball. No face can come in a place that we not find out how that. It's coming like me still there foreign. I mean up on the ground and I tell you say me we deal with it. And I still go back on my back or do no own thing. I'm like a owner on the ground.
We been a do that ranking till you come back.
Never know so once I come back we are gonna listen to everything we say Rankin. You see anywhere that there's no order, there's chaos. Zane and too many rats never dig a good hole. I tell you to leave the thing because I know how 21 run. And you see where you go on with? That may just cause a war. So, how we are going to deal with this? Because clearly, I own run the ground. So, Uno tell me how we are going to deal with this.
Here we are going to deal with this ranking. We are going to down on the block. They on the lookout. See? Steward I go and run off. And I go and run off my business. You see it? But we don't want no strange man. I come in a place, come move, no suspicious kind of way. And we don't know who them. You hear that? Right, they say it there.
Rankin, remember you have a big house of fire, you know. You can run away anytime. We always in a heat down here, you know. Big house of fire. Run off. So tell me something. Them two little Cub Scout they were out of my gate that turn up. How them? How comes me no know them?
Whole heap of foot soldier there, you know.
Remember you just come back from fire in the Rankin.
I'm just there. So we not take no check from some boy we hear a talk off them mouth. So.
Gentlemen, take care of yourself. Be careful on the way out. Out.
Yeah man, Rankin. But remember, this is not the family guy.
Remember me to tell you now. Be careful on the way out. Walk good.
Yo, we go, everything.
Yo, here's the matter.